Okay, so this is what it looks like. Not quite complete because I want to be able to put the legs of my chainmail on and have the arms into something, but I think I went a little bit too high because right now, oh, maybe it'll be about the same height. Start from my head off. Yeah, it'll be at the same size. Shoulders almost same width. I'm trying to get it look like it's an actual person. Like, instead of having it hang on some sticks, I want it to have some shape so you can see it better. Anyway, I'm going to insert this styrofoam head, which I got for about $5, I think it was. It's got a hole in there, so I want to put that down the center. I think I'm going to have to drill a hole first and then insert it, because it's probably going to split this all to shit if I try to go through there. So we'll come back to it. Okay, with the hole already pre-drilled at about, I don't know, 2.5 inches, I'm going to go ahead and insert my bolt on the top of it like that. Okay, with the bolt in place, the styrofoam head will be held in by the sheer weight of the chainmail that goes on top. I think it's a perfect likeness. I need to make something to hold my arms though, and these should be not square, they're going to have to be rounded a bit. So I think I'm going to come back and cut that. I want it to look like there's somebody in here that has some shape to it. But I'm still not quite sure how I'm going to put the arms on, because the arms have sleeves on my tunic. I'm thinking about coming in the bottom and putting another piece across the front, which I should have pre-cut before I went ahead and did that. Here, or something coming off here that the sword can stand in, and then have like a Y shape go up through the arms so I can take it off and then put it back on. Sounds good. And I'm not sure what I'm doing with the legs yet. Okay, so I was trying to figure out what I was going to use for the arms to make it more realistic. I didn't have time to track down any old broken mannequins. That'd be perfect, but I found these old plastic table legs, and they're the same, well, almost same like from my shoulder to my arm tip. I'm thinking of taking the heat gun, heating them up in the center and bending it over like the elbow, and then I'm going to cut this back because it's disproportioned a bit, maybe back into here, so it's just the right same width as me, and I'm going to put a screw through the center of it here, so when I want to take my chainmail off this, I can turn the arms over top its head like you would if you normally put it on, or disconnect them through the chainmail just like that, and then round out the shoulders somehow with some padding stuff. I think I'll have to cut it back to here though, somewhere in there. Let's see how that goes. Okay, let's give this a whirl, see how this works. Oh, mosquitoes, go away. This may not work as good well as I want it to. I might have to cut it actually. Let's see if I can collapse it. Tube is pretty strong. Huge. Start collapsing it a bit. once I get it going. Really good. I don't know if it's going to hold shape or not. Probably not. Well, maybe if I can melt it together. Fuse it. It'll stay. I'm going to end up burning myself here in a second. You know, camera's getting in or not. It's pretty sticky. I was originally thinking of using 2-inch PVC pipe, or different size of PVC pipe, so it would, yeah, there's one, crooked over like my arm would be. Bang it together a bit more. It rocks. It works. Now cool it down with the water hose and we'll see what we got. Okay, apparently cooling it down the water hose makes it really rigid. So we will have, let's see, get a better angle of this so you can understand what I'm trying to do. Put this on there like that, and this will be holding a sword of some type. Like I said, I'm going to have to cut this back. This is going to work good. I might have to add some padding for the shoulders and their area there to make it look more real. But it's better than just having it draped over. Let's do another one. Okay, so I need to go ahead and cut the shoulders down on this stand. So I'll show you how I do that. It's going to be a little bit more difficult. Maybe I should lay it down. Let's try one first. See how that goes. Watch where you put the cord. Okay, go ahead and pre-drill the hole through, and I'm not sure if I want it. I think I'm going to put it down a little bit like that. Put the screw at the top. Makes life a little bit easier. And do the same to the other side. If I run into problems later on, I should be able to just take the screw out and that'll be that. Okay, switch bits and we'll put the arms in place. Okay, so the arms are attached. I had to use drywall screws through here because this is obviously this here is obviously 4 inches. I want a screw straight through, so I put drywall screw in the center of each side just until I find a replacement. But this is what I was talking about. I want the arms to be able to pivot so I can take my chainmail off when I want it to without having to screw it through the thing. I've melted and bent the arms out of an old PVC table or whatever. Anyway, now I can pivot it and put the chainmail on and put the arms down, and this will hold some kind of sword right there. Now I need to install the legs and put padding on it. I'm thinking maybe some bubble wrap and some black clothes over. Anyway, I got 2 of these left over. They're from the shoulders. They're the same length. I'm going to cut that down about maybe an inch deep and put that on each side like this. Then I'm going to attach my legs here like that. And I should be able to hang my chainmail off of that and put a pair of boots on it. And pat it, of course. Okay.